Some people think cybersecurity is just about hacking Facebook or wearing a hoodie in the dark. But you're not some people. You're curious. You want to protect, break, rebuild, and master the digital battlefield. This is Cyber VulnVerse, your one-stop channel for learning cybersecurity from scratch, with zero fluff, zero paywalls, and 100% real-world power. I started this because I saw too many passionate minds blocked by expensive courses, boring tutorials, or just not knowing where to start. Here you'll get 60 days of beginner content, 30 days to discover your passion. Then we go deep into VAPT, malware analysis, IoT, capture the flag walkthroughs, cyber awareness, and many, many more. I use real-life stories, analogies, and brain-hacking mnemonics to teach even the toughest topics, like you're 5 years old or 50. This isn't a channel, it's a transformation. I assume you're lost, lazy, confused, maybe even unmotivated. But stick with me, and I'll make you unstoppable. New content drops every week across YouTube and Instagram, from zero to cyber beast. And you're not alone. A global army of learners just like you is rising, one skill at a time. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Your cyber journey begins here at Cyber VulnVerse. All content is for educational purposes only. No illegal actions are supported or encouraged.